Welcome students. In this video, I'll be talking about evaluating the following integral. So the integral I'll be talking about is going to be integral of ln of x dx. It says that the integral of ln of x is equal to x ln of x minus x plus c. Okay, so we will be working to solve this integral using integration by parts. Okay, so the integral, so the integration by parts formula says that u dv is equal to u times b minus b du. Okay, so we're gonna turn the integral a little different. Okay, so what I'll do is I will do ln of x times 1 dx. And what I'll do is I'm going to do the following substitution. So we're gonna do u is equal to ln of x. That means that du dx is equal to 1 over x. That means that du is equal to dx and times 1 over x. And we know, because I put this one here, we know that dv is equal to 1. That means that dv, and that implies that dv is equal to that means that if I evaluate dv dx is equal to 1, that means that the integral of 1 dv is equal to x or sorry, equal to v. B plus c. That implies that that v is equal to x. Because we say, because if we multiply, because dv dx, and this is, and because of this here, it implies that v is equal to x. Okay, so now we we will turn this we're gonna substitute this integral as follows. We're gonna let ln, we say that ln of x is equal to u. That means that this is equal to u I'm sorry, well, since we're using the substitution, the integration by parts formula, we're gonna say that so u is equal to ln of x times v, and what is v is equal to x, so we're gonna put it at the front. Then we say minus the integral of v, which is equal to x, and then we say that du here is equal to 1 over x times dx times 1 over x dx plus, okay, not plus c yet, but we're gonna solve the integral. So we said this is equal to x ln of x minus 1 dx, and that's equal to x ln of x minus integral of 1, that's going to be equal to x plus c. And that's the final answer we were looking for. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.